I'm Lee Stevens with HD Supply. This video is going to cover your standard float switch. Remember, when working with electrical, if you are uncomfortable, please consult a professional. Also follow all lockout tagout procedures, as it is an OSHA requirement. Also follow all of your company's policies and procedures when working with electrical. A standard float switch is the easiest to test, but it's also the most overlooked. It's usually wired between the thermostat and your transformer. When testing this, connect one lead, then the second, and you will have continuity. Notice when you raise the float, you go to an open circuit, cutting the power to the entire AC system. So if your AC system is doing absolutely nothing, always look at the float switch.